This is the LoveBox 2.0. It was inspired by the original LoveBox, but instead of the $233 price point, I built it myself for $10. Now, I didn't do a ton of research on their product, but the idea is pretty simple. You can send your significant other pictures and messages over the internet, and they'll receive it on their LoveBox. They'll also get notified with a heart spinning, which is very cute. Now, I thought the gift was interesting, but being that I'm a broke student, I couldn't really afford to spend $233 on it, so I decided I'd build one for my girlfriend myself for Valentine's Day. Anyways, before I get into the details, here's a demo. The app will wait until the recipient sees the message before another one can be sent, and I'll show you what that means in a second. Alright, let's take a look at the box. Once a message is received, it'll rotate the heart notifying you that a new message arrived. Once you open it, you'll see it prompt you to shake the box to reveal the message. Now just shake the box again and you'll go back to the home screen. This also notifies the sender that the message is read so that they can send another one. Alright, let's get into the build. At the heart of this project is the ESP8266. It's a fairly inexpensive microcontroller with Wi-Fi capabilities. You can get it for $3.44. Along with it are the following components: a servo motor for the heart to rotate. You can get 10 of those for $7.08. A colored 128 by 160 LCD display. You can get that for $2.72. A vibration motor for haptic feedback. That's $1. And finally, an MPU 6050 for gesture control. This detects the box shake and other controls. Again, for about $1. All in all, this would cost about $10 to build. Now just connect them like this. Finally, grab some wood, a mini saw, a pen, some sanding paper, and wood glue, and build a box. I have to admit, that part was way harder than I initially thought. Now let's dive into the software architecture of this project. There are 3 parties in communication: the ESP8266, the React app hosted on Vercel, the Python Flask API hosted on Heroku. For the database, I'm just using a Firebase Firestore, which stores my messages and some metadata. The way it works is that the box will ask the server every 10 seconds if a new message is available. The server will most often reply no until the app sends a message to the server, which is then stored in the database, and the server replies to the box that a new message is available. At that point, the box will ask for the message data, and the server will return the text and image in RGB565 format. The box will fetch and store the received data to display it to the recipient. And that's basically it. Now, there is one more feature that I implemented to view past messages. Starting at the home screen, you can shake the box to check your message history. You can scroll through them by tilting the box left and right. And that's it. You can find the code for all 3 parts of my project on GitHub. Also, visit my website, kareemjawhar.com. I'll be uploading a blog post on this project there soon. And in the meantime, check out my other projects and reach out if you have any questions.